Hey there! This video guide provides information on creating report templates in the CommPeak PBX Stats platform. In this video, you will learn which reports have the template saving option, how to create a template, and then how to use the saved template. Report templates with predefined filters will save you time and effort. This option is available in the Stats by Queue, Stats by Agent, and CDR reports. At the top of each of these reports, you can see the Search Filter section, as in the Stats by Queue presented to you now. Let's say we want to create a monthly report template for the first shift of the customer support queue. In the time range, we recommend that you use one of the predefined options. Otherwise, you'll have to set it each time you apply the template. Here, we will select Previous Month. In the Queue drop-down list, select the necessary queue. Under By Shift Hours, choose First Shift. All filters that we needed are set now. Then click Save as Template. In the new box, enter template name. If you wish to allow other managers to use your template, select the Public checkbox. Once again, take a look at filters to make sure they are correct, and then click Save. To use the saved template, click Select Template, choose the necessary template, and click Use. To remove a template, select one and click Remove. Templates are also used in reports that have been scheduled to run periodically. Follow the link to learn more about scheduling reports. Thank you for watching. Good luck!